Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of the VYLS build or project. Got Nathan here today, picked up the new motor, so was bolting everything onto this off my old one to get it ready and about to drop it in. But nah, let's get into it. Let's get into it.
Just having a dinner break because I was starving.
Oh yeah.
Got the meat lovers, some chicken nibbles, some garlic bread. Forgot to get a drink, but
Righto, so we've got the motor sort of down. Nathan's doing a bit of work for once.
mate, I do a lot of work in this industry.
So we're just putting the starter motor wires on now and the little sensors down there, and then we'll lower it down more, get the power steering pump, AC pump bolted up, and then we'll lower it right down, get it in, and then start hooking everything up. But for now...
Alright guys, get the motor nearly in.
Yeah, just putting the water pump and shit back on. I mean the AC pump.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Right. Now I'm trying to get this off. Got the vice. Let's see if we can get it off. Got it. Just need to use 2 hands. There. So we're just getting the AC pump on, guys.
Fuck, there's some shit in the way.
Not much room compared to the Ecotex.
You have to get it down a bit.
Righto guys, the LS is finally back in after a bit of a struggle. Dana was getting a little bit angry, but she's in. We'll finish it all off tomorrow. It's a bit late now, so tighten up the bell housing. Did you get the torque converter on?
No, not yet.
We'll do the torque converter and everything else. So yeah, we'll get back to it tomorrow.
Oh.
Say goodbye to the viewers, tell them good night. And say good night.
Righto, we're back. Same night. Just got the motor back in. Still a fair bit to do tomorrow, Arvo, after work. Just got this sitting on here now just so nothing falls down while we're fiddling around tomorrow. But yeah, got it back in. Just got a few bell housing bolts in. Got to do torque converter up, engine mounts, and then yeah, start hooking everything back up. But the hard part's done. That's back in. That was a mission trying to line that up for some reason. Never been that hard before, but yeah, that's back in. Gave this side of the car a bit of a buff, so Even the guards do look a bit better. Still need paint, but yeah, the paint paint actually come out pretty good. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It's looking pretty good. Fucking dust everywhere, needs clean, but yeah, hopefully take it for a drive tomorrow night when we finish hooking everything up. So we'll update you tomorrow, but for now, going home to bed. Righto guys, we're back with a bit of an update. We're doing the most hated job you could ever do. Converter bolts.
Who are you talking to?
The YouTube.
Oh, the viewers at home.
Yeah, they're back.
Where are they?
Just under here.
Hey guys.
Now I was doing these torque converter bolts up and then put the starter motor back in and then finish up top and we'll be able to start it up. Killer. So we're back with another lunch break. What do we got tonight?
Tonight, we got some Hungry Jacks. Classic fried chicken burger.
Yep.
The cunts fucking forgot me bacon.
Oh well. Righto guys, we're back.
Hey guys.
Yeah, it's a bit dirty, but as you can hear, it's been running again. So it's always a bonus. We're about to take it for a quick test drive. Let the viewers at home know what it sounds like.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, no, I've got it all running. Runs pretty good. Just need to do a good service on it. Yeah. Got a big exhaust leak, but I'm not going to fix that because I'm going to put some extractors on it. But other than that, we're back.
Hi guys, the LS is done. Back on the road. Motor's running smooth as, better than the last one. And it looks beautiful.
Well, paint come up pretty good too.
Yeah, paint did come up pretty good.
Strip there. But yeah, it needs a wash, it's pretty filthy.
We'll do the guards later.
Nice sticker there, go grab yourself one.
Yeah, if you want a sleek sticker, it's a bit backwards I think because we've got the camera this way. But if you want a sleek sticker, follow our Instagram, we'll have it in the bio on YouTube. So there you go, get one. Merch be out soon.
Nah, that's about it for this one I reckon.
Yeah, we'll do a bit of a video when we're test driving it so you can hear it.
We'll be able to show them what it's
Yeah. Give it a quick rev, please. Sounds good. Alright, we'll take for a drive and yeah. Righto.
nice.
Sunroof up. Alrighty, thanks for watching guys.
See you in the next one.